In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks by setting your financial preferences with ease. Whether you're setting up a new account or just looking to adjust your settings, here's a straightforward guide to help you get it done efficiently. To start this journey with QuickBooks, begin by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the URL for QuickBooks, which will take you directly to the homepage. Once you've landed there, you'll be greeted with the user-friendly interface that QuickBooks is known for. Next, we'll move on to accessing the settings. Look for the gear icon, often found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu that houses various settings options you can explore. From the drop-down menu, choose Account and Settings. This is a crucial area where you can make many adjustments to tailor QuickBooks to fit your business needs. Once you've clicked that, you'll find several tabs available to manage different aspects of your account settings. Now, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section is where you can customize more detailed aspects of your financial setup in QuickBooks. It's always good to review these settings to ensure your account aligns with your business operations and goals. Under the Advanced section, you'll need to find and select First Month of Fiscal Year. Typically, this will be set to January for most businesses starting their fiscal year with the calendar year. However, if your business operates on a different fiscal year start month, feel free to adjust this according to your specific needs. Finally, an important step is to close the books. This option is also located within the Advanced Settings tab. Closing the books is a critical accounting step. It ensures that your financial records are locked for a specific period, preventing any further changes. This is particularly beneficial for maintaining the integrity of your financial data once your accountant has completed the year-end tasks. Make sure to select this option after you've completed all necessary checks and reconciliations for the period. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to navigate through QuickBooks and set up your financial preferences. By following these steps, you can ensure that your QuickBooks account is tailored to your business needs, helping you manage your finances more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of QuickBooks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances effectively. See you in the next video.